Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tom Bloomquist, anesthetist and hypnotist. That means I get to work with brains and minds. At this August NGH convention, I will be discussing neuroplasticity, or how our brain changes. There are many positive neuroplastic effects, like learning a new skill, like dancing, woodworking, learning a new language. There are negative factors that can have a negative impact, like disease processes and aging. There are substances that can have a positive impact, like resveratrol and turmeric. And there are negative impacts as well. So, as we all know, hypnosis is a learning process. So, by using hypnosis, you are using neuroplastic principles to help your clients make their desired changes. And I look forward to your feedback. Have a good day.